How to start an international return in Lululemon. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial you can follow up to do so. So let's get started. First of all, we can go to the Lululemon page, and this is the page right here, and we can head over to Lululemon returns portal. So you can directly search for Lululemon's return portal, which is this one right here, and we can log in with our Lululemon account if not, and we can enter up our order number and email, and then just go and check it out. And from this purchase history section, we have online and in-store as well, and all as well. You just need to go ahead and find the order and choose the item that you want to return. After that, you should be finding something like this. You just need to click on the option and provide in a reason for return and confirm it up. And you should be finding this option called return items. You can click on it. And also print the label and attach it to the package. And when packing the item, make sure that the item is unworn or unwashed, hand tags are attached and in original conditions, and you can place the item back in the package and include any of the required documents. And you can also drop the parcel at the carrier listed on the return label, such as UPS, DHL, etc. And you can keep the tracking number until your return is processed. And once Lululemon receives your return, the refund is usually issued to the original payment method within 3 to 10 business days. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.